Okay, so in the previous video we made the lamp base, and in this video now we're going to start making the lamp neck. Okay, so we're going to click on File, New, and New Part. So go into your SolidWorks, File, New, and you're going to click on New Part, and you'll open up your work area here. The next step is to select the front plane and click Sketch. So front plane, I'm going to sketch in onto that front plane. From the origin, so starting at the origin, draw an organic shape line similar to one shown using the spline tool. This would be the shape of the lamp neck. Okay, so this is just an organic shape, and it's going to be how the neck of the lamp will turn out. Okay, so they're all going to be a small bit different, but we want them to look something along the lines of this. So to draw this spline, we're going to our origin. We're going to up here, instead of clicking on the line, we're going to click on this spline. Starting at the origin, moving up, click a dot here, and we can bend the line, bend it again. We can start straightening it up like this. So that we get a shape, something like this. Select Smart Dimension and ensure that the overall height of the line is 200. Okay, so this is the main thing, the most important thing, is that when we Smart Dimension this shape, from here to here, it's going to be 200. Okay, so from this point up to this point, so the overall height of the line is 200. Okay, so green tick that once it's done. Click on Features and select Sweep Boss Base. Select a circular path. Select the spline as the path and set the diameter to 12. So there's lots to do there. So go Features, Sweep, Boss Base. So Features, Sweep, Boss Base. So asking us a few questions here. So profile and path. So profile we want is to be circular. We want a circular profile, and we want that to be 12 mil. Okay, so 12 mil. And we want the path for this circle to take, and you'll see it in a second, to be this spline that we just drew. Okay, so to do that, click on this box, it'll turn blue, and look for this sketch here. Okay, and it's made that spline a circular path. Green ticked, and we have a shape like this. Next step, look normal to the bottom of the sweep shape. So press the space bar. So we want to look here at the bottom. We want to look right in at this. So we can right click on that and go normal to. Or we can hit the space bar and look in at that. Sketch a circle of radius 10 onto the bottom of the face of the swept face. So my origin is here, so make sure you're sketching on the face with the origin on it. If I went and sketched on this face here, that doesn't have the origin on it, so make sure that you're sketching on the face with the origin on it. We're going to sketch a circle onto this face, and that is going to be a diameter of 10. Green tick once we've finished that. Click on Features and select Extrude Cut. Cut 2 millimeters into the swept shape. You will need to select flip side of cut. You might need to, we'll see. Okay, so what we're doing is we are cutting into this shape now. So Features, Extrude Cut. We want to cut in 2 millimeters and flip side into cut. So we're actually We don't want to cut it in here, we want to cut outside here, like this. We'll cut the outside of the shape. Okay? If you happen to press it and it cuts it like this, so we're cutting into the shape, you can right click on cut extrude, go up here to features, edit feature, and this is bringing us back into our feature, and we can just flip it, cut the outside. Okay, so that's one cut, and we want cuts going all the way up along here now. So to do that, we are going to go to features and select the drop down menu below linear pattern, and we're going to select curve driven pattern. So features, linear pattern, go to the drop down menu below it and go curve driven pattern. Okay, so it's going to ask us quite a few questions here. So direction 1 will be the sketch of the spline from step 1. So direction 1 is going to be again this sketch from the spline. The number of instances will be 50. So change this here to 50. This is the number of cuts we want to be made up along this shape. 50. Select equal spacing. So make sure that's ticked, equal spacing. The curve method will be offset curve. So this is the curve method, will be offset curve. And the alignment method will be tangent curve. Alignment method, tangent curve. And finally, the features and faces will be cut extrude 1. So cut extrude 1, features and faces. Once we're finished that, green tick. We see now we have that cut pattern going all the way up along that shape. So it looks like what them lamps would look like in real life. They'd be kind of bendy. So similarly to the final step in the creation of the lamp base, select edit appearances and give the lamp neck color and texture. Save the lamp to the home folder. So again, we can click over here to our appearances menu and we can make this steel, or we could make chrome. There's some nice ones there. They're all metals. We can make a plastic. So a low glow or a low glass plastic, and we can just bring it over here, drop it onto it, and pick part 2. So we want to put the whole part, and there we go. If you wanted, you could also have a different color. So solid, and we could have a different color just in all of the cuts, like that, which looks pretty good as well. You can leave that to yourself, whatever you want to do. The most important thing here really is to make sure that you have it done and that you have it file and save as, and save it into the home folder. And you want to save that as lamp neck. Okay, so we can access that down there. So make sure you save it as lamp neck. In the next part, we will be making the head of the lamp, which is going to finish off looking something like this. So this is going to be the head of the lamp. That's going to be the next part.